Just took one. Oh, look at him!
Dan's got a big one on right now.
Drag. Reel it in.
He's
freaking big. No, he's stuck on the line.
Oh, he's stuck.
No, I still got the fish.
Oh, that fish is stuck, man.
Stay out with your socks.
Woo!
Yeah.
Say that's a.
Oh, thank you, fish.
Say that's a 1 pounder.
I don't know. I haven't felt it yet.
That's a small one.
No.
No, it's a largie.
Jackson, you don't know.
Big for you.
You don't know anything. Nothing. All right, there we are. Not bad. Caught off a Cinco.
I want to get
There's
yours.
a nice little tool. All right.
It's better at night so you can see the fish. There it is.
Here it is. Not bad. Back up. All right, that's it.
All right.
Bad?
Yeah.
Stop recording.